In this video, I'll show you how the Instawork app works and whether it's actually worth using to find flexible gig work in 2025. Instawork connects you with short-term jobs in hospitality, warehousing, delivery, and more. It's available in major US cities and payouts weekly or even instantly with their boost pay option. To get started, just sign up, upload your ID, and choose the kind of work you are looking for. Some shifts require badges or past experience, so you might need to watch training videos before you can apply. Once accepted, you show up, check in with the app, and get rated after your shift. The better your reviews, the more high-paying gigs you unlock. Some workers report making $100 to $150 a day, depending on the rule. Pros: fast payouts, flexible schedule, and a growing list of available cities. Cons: some shifts fill up quickly, cancellations hurt your rating, and no guaranteed hours, so it's best for side income, not full-time stability. So, is InstaWork worth it? If you are looking for flexible, gig-style work and are okay with a bit of hassle, yes, it is a legit and reliable app. Just know it won't replace a full-time job overnight. If you've tried InstaWork, drop your experience in the comment. Thank you for watching.